Today we are in a neighborhood in Baltimore City where we are replacing a very antiquated, almost 100-year-old system that provides gas to these customers on our BG&E footprint. This is a fairly large-scale project. It was initiated by running a main trunk line down Roland Avenue and simultaneously running main down some of the side streets. The old low-pressure systems were susceptible to issues like water intrusion, leaks, and other reliability issues. We'll provide customers with a high-pressure gas system. The high pressure improves reliability to our customers, so you won't have that danger of water intrusion or interruptions. When we excavate, we have to come back and temporarily patch these excavations until the completion of the project. This may result in situations where there are steel plates in a right-of-way or maybe some bumpy temporary patching. We try our best to make all areas passable. One of the larger operations on one of these gas main replacement projects is the service renewal operation. A gas service is the line that runs from the main in the street up to your home and provides you with that gas. In order to renew and install the plastic that we are replacing all of the aging steel and cast iron with, we will need to excavate at the main in the street in front of your home. In some cases, we will need to enter the customer's home in order to access the BG&E equipment and connect the new line to the existing house line. We'll work with the customers to work out all of those logistics. This project provides a number of benefits to the community and our customer base, mainly the improvement of reliability and safety throughout the communities. Rather than revisiting these neighborhoods with this old infrastructure year after year, making small repairs and interrupting your service, we have a self-sustaining system that will be in place for years to come.